Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Orbiter Finance or OBT on Binance Alpha. As you know, OBT just get listed on Binance Alpha, so you can buy it. If you want to buy it, you can open your Binance apps and you can go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search OBT and there is OBT on Alpha. You can click it. And this is the charts. As you can see, this is the chart, and if you want to see the details, you can click info in the top here. Then you can see the volume, the market cap, and also you can see the audit here. And if you want to buy it, you can just click trade in the bottom here. Then you can choose limit order or instant. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.